Okay, continuing on now in iWeb, I like to show you a nice feature, and that's making adjustments to your photos. Now, let's say we choose this photo right here, and we want to make an adjustment because we don't like the way the colors look. Well, you go down here and you hit adjust, and you can see it brings up this window. To the brightness, the contrast, the saturation, temperature, tint, sharpness. And you could also choose enhance colors automatically down here. See how it changed it a little bit. You could even go a little further. And then when you have the settings where you like them, just close that window and it's all set. And if you want to remove any settings that you did here, just again bring up the adjust and hit reset image. And it'll reset it to its original settings. And that's how you make adjustments to photos in iWeb. I'm Bill McPherson for Expert Village.